EKYWX.com. Ryan Hall here with a video update concerning the possible severe weather outbreak that we may have later this afternoon and evening. First of all, let's look outside real quick. Nothing going on in Pikeville right now. As you can see, it's just kind of a normal July morning. We've got a little bit in the way of cloud cover, but other than that, it's just a normal day in Pikeville. Let's look at the radar real quick, and as you can see, we've got a lot of moisture out there. I think some of the models yesterday were suggesting that these particular storms would already be out of here by this point. And the fact that they're still around and putting cloud cover over the area really makes me think that there may be a damper, maybe a lid on the atmosphere. So the storm chances may actually not be as high as they were. As you can see on satellite here, there's not much in the way of clearing out there. And you keep in mind, we've got to have that sunshine before we have that lift in the atmosphere to allow for those storms to form. But if we do get a little bit of clearing, here's a look at what you can see today. Around 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. will be prime time for severe weather with large hail damaging winds and some flooding and a small tornado threat too. Moderate risk of severe weather in eastern Kentucky. That doesn't happen very many times throughout any year, even during the summer. So this is why we're hyping it up a little bit. 45% chance of damaging winds, 30% chance of large hail, and a 10% chance of a tornado. Once again, this doesn't happen very often, so we're wanting to get this information out. This is what the radar could look like later this afternoon. This is just one of the models we look at, and as you can see, those storms we have to our north and west right now really fade out quickly per this model, and that allows for those second rounds of storms to pop up fast. Here's a look at how much energy is in the atmosphere. The really dark purples, the yellows, and the reds represent some high energy amounts in the atmosphere, and as you can see, they kind of just fizzle out once the storms pop, and that's to be expected, but there's really not much there. I think that if we can keep the cloud cover around for as long as possible, we're not going to see a huge severe weather outbreak. However, if you're outside today and you see some breaks in the clouds, the sun starts shining, expect a severe weather day because the storms that we could get today are just going to be ferocious. Stay tuned to EKYWX.com. I'm going to have updates on the Twitter, on my Twitter page, etc., etc. Thank you for watching the video.